Hey friends, on today's quick Google Sheets tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to create a checkbox here in this spreadsheet. It's actually really simple and it's really useful though if, again, you are looking for team members or things like that to make sure they have a specific item checked off. So let's go ahead and just add a checkbox down here. I'm going to choose this cell. We're going to come up here. We're going to hit Insert. I'm going to come down to checkbox. It's literally right here under the insert options. Once I click that, you can see one shows up here. We can then do a copy and paste if you need to put those into additional cells, just like this. Now you can kind of see if I check on it, we get a true value that will show up. Again, if it's unchecked, it will be false. So that's how it's kind of set up. Again, really handy, nice little feature to add checkboxes to your spreadsheets. I hope that's helped. If it has, hit that thumbs up button. Stay tuned, we make a ton of these Google Sheet tutorial videos. We got a bunch more coming up soon. Hit the subscribe button. We'll see you again on the next one.